All this wood is wet and cold, so we're gonna put it around the stove to dry it out before we throw it. Oh. You can really feel the temperature difference out here. Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil. I got these little lamb T-bones here and they're already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bone out and cut off the grizzle, put that in the pot first. Well, the lamb fat is rendering up nicely, so I just added some sweet potatoes and some tomatoes to the stew. All right, just put a little cilantro and basil in there. A beautiful lamb stew. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good.